In this demo, we're going to look at what happens when there are two objects that fall in two different ways. One will fall directly down, and this object will fall with some velocity in this direction. So in that horizontal direction, we'll have some velocity, and we'll see the difference in how these objects fall. So if you take a minute to think about what may happen, two objects falling, this one has a little bit more velocity, maybe you'll think that they will fall at different rates, or you might think that they fall at the same time. So we want to see what happens. So let's load this up. So this is a spring that I'm going to load. So when I release this, this object's going to get shot off in that direction and will still fall, but then this object is going to fall directly down. They're equivalent masses, so we'll see what happens. So let's take a look. I'm going to release this, and let's see which one comes down first. So as you'll notice, they would have come down at the same time. They fall at the same rate, and that's because two different motions, so if motion in the x direction or the horizontal direction and motion in the y direction, they're independent. Even though this object has an extra velocity in this direction, it still falls. Gravity still works on this, just like this other object. So the time it takes for them to fall will be exactly the same because gravity is working on both of them.